And the rise. Good morning. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Oh, my internet is kind of slow. No good. No good. The market is down today. All right, let's start. Today's what? 8/19th? 3/19. You hear me typing? That's me prepping up my daily game plan for my Discord members. All right, so ES currently down 0.47%. Nasdaq is down 0.70%. The Dow is down 0.21%, and the Russell is down 0.71%. You only see the red candles behind me. So today, what do we have? We have any economic data? I think we have housing. Let's see. We got housing starts at 8:30, and we got building permits at 8:30. I don't think that's very important. Tomorrow is FOMC, so that's important at 2 p.m. And Thursday we got jobless claims, so that's important as well. All right, so for ES, we got a level here. If you guys can see it, this 5191. So ES, if it rejects 5191, it got room down to 5175, then 5161.75, then 41, then 5142.75. So we do have we do have a bunch of support here. So there is a bunch of support. So downside can scout what 15 points. That's about a dollar and a half on SPY, and then just keep holding to see if these levels break. So I would say ES a rejection of 5191.75, and it has room down to 5175.75. then 5161.75, then 5142.75. On the other hand, if it breaks over 5191 and it holds, then ES has room up into 52, 5228.5. So on the other hand, a break and hold over 5191.75, and ES has room up to 5228.5, which is this level right here. Oh, 5228.5, this level here. Let me make this so I don't like to have any space when I'm trading in between the candles here. I don't like to have any space. So that's ES. Oh, you guys can't hear me? Can you guys hear me now, or I'm sounding too low? Let me know. Do I sound too loud, too low, or you guys able to hear me fine? A little low? Hear me loud and clear? All right, so I guess it's Young Chung. It's probably his computer. Let's go look at the Nasdaq. You guys already know QQQ follows the Nasdaq. So for the Nasdaq, hmm, Nasdaq's a little tricky because it got level of support. So I would say a retest and hold of 18040.75, and NQ can work itself. So if it holds this 18040.75, the Nasdaq has room back up into 180 then potentially 10309.75. So we have to keep an eye on that. And 18309.75. It's kind of hard to play shorts here because you guys can see we have multiple levels of support here on the Nasdaq. So I'm kind of not interested in shorting. Hmm. But it is making it's kind of ranging. You guys can see it keep bouncing off this level here. This 180 this 180 40 75. If you look here at the daily, let's make it slightly bigger. I see it keep bouncing from this level here. So if I want to be interested in shorts, it would have to be under 179.45 if I'm to be interested in shorts. Shorts, I would like, again, for shorts, I would like a break and hold on the 179.45. That has room down to 178.24.5 and 177.50. Yeah, brother, I can't make it any louder on my part. It has to be your phone, your computer, but I can't make it any louder on my part. It has to be on your side. See how the rust is looking. Yeah, I like it like this. You see how if it breaks this level, it has room all the way down. Not like the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq has a bunch of level of support. You see, this is the Nasdaq. It has a bunch of levels of support. Oh, the Dow. I got a level right here. But for the Dow, a break and hold on the 391.77. No, 391.17. And it has room down to 389.51. Again, if you don't know how to trade futures, you can trade the ETF. Okay, so the ETF for this is gonna be for the Dow is gonna be DIA. It's gonna be DIA for the ETF. Remember that they follow the futures. But if it holds this 391.17, then it has room back up into 393.35. So it's pretty much the line in the sand right here, this level right here. The Russell is also pretty weak. Yeah, the Russell's weak. So a rejection of this 2036.1, and the Russell has room down to 225. Let me know. So Russell, rejection of 2036, and it has room down to 2025.9 and 2018.4. See at the VIX. Okay. Look at gold. Okay, my internet's not the best as of now. It's kind of lagging a little bit. Bitcoin and Bitcoin took a nice little dump. These are the levels of Bitcoin. If it breaks back over 63, 605, then it has room up into 661.60, then 665.70, then 68,340. So it needs to get back above these levels. Bitcoin need to get it together. All right, then let's look at SPY for some people that don't really use the futures. Yeah, so SPY needs to hold up 510.7. It has room up into 512.64, then 514.35. A failure to hold is 510.7, and SPY has room down to 508.99, then 508.46, then 504. Matter of fact, it's not even a real level here. Let me take this out. It has room down into 502.92. But to be honest, I don't think the market's gonna move much today. We have FOMC tomorrow. Usually the day before FOMC, it tends to like chop around. So I don't expect much movement today. But you never know. Look at QQQ. QQQ a break and hold on the 433.55 has room down to 530.32, then to 525.98. It's QQQ. Let's look at Apple. How's Apple looking? Hmm. Apple's pretty much in between two levels. Not really interested in Apple. I don't like to trade a stock that's between two levels. Microsoft. Microsoft. Not really interested. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia. So let's look at Nvidia. Nvidia can play to the downside. Nvidia, a retest. So let's look at it. Nvidia, a rejection, of A69.4 back under the opening. And look for puts. It has room down to 841.97. What is it? It has room down at 841.97. Then 817. It's right here. 841.97. Then it has room down to 817.61. For me to be interested in calls on Nvidia, I would say it needs to break back over 888.42 to be interested in calls in Nvidia, or a retest. And if it holds this level, you can try to buy the dip here at 841.97, but it needs to hold right at this level, and that way you can have a small stop loss. What else we got? We got Tesla. Yes, Tesla. For puts, I would look for a break and hold under 168.41, like a break and then a retest. That's I would look for puts here on Tesla, and then it has room down to 161.83. For calls, I would need a break and hold over 175.07, and then it has room up into 179.11. That's for Tesla. I'm not really seeing anything A plus as of now. Netflix, not much. Meta, you guys can see it keeps bouncing from this level right here. This 482.76. So I guess for Meta, a break and hold on the 4090.12. You can try to target this 487.76, but that's something I'm really interested in. As you guys can see, it is a big bounce area, and you can look for the bounce here. You can look for the hold. You guys can see it bounce here, 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 here. Like it keeps bouncing from this level, keeps holding. And for calls for Meta, I would need a back a hold over 492.16 And then Meta has room back up into 502.16. Not seeing anything A plus today, guys. Okay. Amazon, same thing. I guess you can try to short it on a breaking hole on the 172.41. It has room up down into 170.24. Roku, don't see much. Google, hmm, kind of looks good here for I kind of like Google here. Google, I would say a retest of 146.51 back over the opening. I look for calls. It has room up to 151, then 152.20. This is for Google. So if it retests and holds is 146.51, look good for call. If it breaks back under 146.25, then it gets invalidated. It's not good. So Google looks good for calls if it holds that level. AMD, AMD, not really interested in AMD. It's between levels, but it has room down to 178.71. Boeing, Boeing's trash. UNH, I guess UNH, a break and hold under 45.75. Can look for puts. It has room down to 475.86. Goldman Sachs. Man, this thing's been ranging. Oh my goodness. For months. You guys see this? It's been ranging since December 15th. So it's been ranging for months. I'm waiting on that breakout. Let's look at HD. HD. Yeah, I think that came out yesterday. In regards to Apple working with Google. The news came out yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Coin. Coin's pretty hard to trade. But for me to be interested in coin, I need a break back over 248.19. You can also take a break and hold over 234.23 to target 248.19. I'm not really seeing anything A plus today, guys. Okay, cat looks decent. An eye on cat. FedEx, FedEx, not really interested. UPS, not interested in UPS. CRM, not interested. Vital, kind of a gap under green. So Vital it possibly has room down into 102. Look at JP Morgan. JP Morgan's at all-time high. Crowd. Again, for I want crowd for the downside. If it can break and hold on the 311, then it has room down to 289.56. So keep an eye on that. QCOM. Hmm. QCOM has a lot of room lower. 158. So I would say QCOM for puts. A retest of 166.8 back under the open. Look for puts. It has room down to 158.78. Look at Disney. I'm really interested. To be interested in Disney, I need a break and hold over 114.38. And it has room up into 118. Twillo. Not interested. Baba. Not really interested in Baba. Let's look at PayPal. Not interested. TSM. TSM. I swung some TSM calls. Looks like I'm going to get stopped out. I was looking at here at the daily, man. Thought it was going to break out and target this 158.4. But it's tanking because Nvidia and AMD they're taking a crap. So TSM is also a chip stock. So it looked good for a potential breakout here. But it looks like it's not. So I'm probably gonna get stopped out today. Another way you can play TSM, you can play to the downside today, TSM. So a retest, a rejection of 135.3 back under the opening. You can look for puts, and it has room down into 130.08. So TSM, a spike over 135.3 back under the opening. And look for puts. It has room down 130. I would trim some at about 133. TSM, Airbnb, nothing. MU, nothing really. Shop, MPH. Pretty much go through my whole list, guys. AW, not much. FCX, Neo. I don't even care. I don't even care for Neo. Some mm, Oxy. For Oxy, I would need if it can break back over 63.41, then it has room up into 64.28. Other than that, don't like much. Lulu. Oh damn, Lulu. Lulu taking a dump. So Lulu a break and hold on the 454.73, and it has room down to 445.18. So keep an eye on Lulu. Look at you. Spot. Not interested. Dash. Dash has been bull flagging for the past 11 days. So you can go either direction. If it breaks over 134.12, you guys already know it's gonna rip back under 128.25 and it has room down to 123.62. AVGO, nothing. TTD, nothing. Oracle, nothing. SLR, no. Nike, nope. DocuSign, nope. Nope. STR, not really interested in MSTR. MCD, I guess a rejection of 279.06 and it has room down to 275. Palantir, hmm, it has room down to 222.5 if it can reject 2363. Look at Myrna. Myrna ain't doing much. Roblox, nothing. MCI, got a lot of level of support, so not really interested in puts on SMCI. Um, Gotta keep an eye on that 124.92. If it fails to hold that, then it has room down to 121.36, then 116.55. SQ, AI, nothing. I guess AI a rejection of 2871, and it has room down to 2658. Look at target. Adobe. Nope, not much. Somebody said somebody wants level on Mara. I don't even remember the last time I traded Mara. I don't really see much, guys. I mean, these are the levels. Somebody asked for the levels on Mara. These are the levels right here. These are the levels on Mara if anyone's interested. My brother's calling me. I don't know why. We'll do that right now, Wellington. Boom. There you go. I edited it. 319. All right. What other thing you guys want me to look at? What other stock you guys want me to look at? I'm not really seeing much today. I don't see any A plus setups today. You guys seeing ES is holding that 5141, that 5191.75. If ES does hold that level, it has room back into 5228.5. A failure to hold over that level, then 5175.5 is the next level, then 5161.75, then 5142.75. Remember I told you guys about these levels. See how the Nasdaq is doing. I need 10 likes. Hit that like button. And I only got 3 likes. I don't get no love. I don't get no love here. Let me look up. You know what? Which one I haven't looked at? Let me look at hoods. And these crypto related stocks are taking a beat down. Big beat down. If Hood fails to hold 17.17, if it opens under that level and then it rejects it, then it has room down to 16.22. That's Hood. So it kind of needs to hold that level. So Hood, if it breaks under 17.17, it got room down to 16.22. Bitcoin been taking the beat down. Yeah, Bitcoin got beat down. Okay, let me know. Let me know what stock you guys want me to look up for you guys. Let me know. Got like 5 minutes. But again, guys, I do not see anything A plus today, guys. Nothing. Nothing worth trading today, to be honest. Nothing. All right, somebody say AMD. I see nothing worth trading today, guys. Nothing A plus. AMD, you got if you can see, it's really no level you can play off. I guess you can try to. It's totally up to you how you want to play AMD. There's really no level to take any setups from, but the next level down is 178.71. If you're feeling bearish, you can target that level, or if you're feeling bullish on it, you can target the 190.55. but there's really no levels really to play of. I guess you can try to reject from this level, this small pivot here. You can probably try to take a rejection from that level here at 183.96. You can try to take a rejection off here and then target at 178.71, but there's really no level in sight for AMD besides that 190.55 and that 178.71. Let's look at NVIDIA now. NVIDIA. For NVIDIA, it's almost the same thing as AMD. You can possibly take a rejection of A69. So I will wait for whatever NVIDIA opens at. I will wait for it to spike over this level, then back under the opening to take some puts if you like, and then target 841.97. But if NVIDIA holds back over 869.4, then it has room up into 881, 888.42, then 907.26. JP Morgan, ain't that at all-time highs pretty much? JP Morgan, let me check. Yeah, JP Morgan pretty much at all-time highs. I mean, pretty hard to trade at all. All-time highs are pretty hard to trade. So the all-time high is 192.74. I guess you can play the breakout of the pre-market high, the 192.74. But other than that, it's not really any levels since JP Morgan's at all-time highs. All right, you guys got anything else you want me to look at? Again, I see nothing A plus today, guys, and I mean nothing. Nothing is no A plus setups today. It looks like I personally won't be trading today. The market is rating for FOMC tomorrow, so like I said, I don't expect any major moves today. If it does happen, then I'll be surprised. Nothing certain, but I don't see anything A plus today, guys. Nothing A plus. I don't see any A plus setups today. Nothing A plus today. Boy, clamping car want to do Uber. Man, I don't even remember the last time I traded Uber. I do not remember. The weekly on Uber. I mean, these are the levels I have on Uber right here. If anyone interested, these are some of the levels I have on Uber. It's setting up a nice monthly 1, 2, 3 on the monthly. It's setting up Uber. The weekly looks all right. Hopefully we get a higher low here on the weekly. Uber looks good for long term. I don't know why I can't look at the monthly. Let me look at the weekly. There you go. The monthly is setting up a 1, 2, 3. So next month, can take out the high of this candle, and Uber can really pump. Looks good. Again, guys, if you're gonna trade today, man, size down, man. I don't see much. I don't see anything A plus today. Trading is about sitting on hands till you find your A plus setups. They say trading is like gambling, but I say it's like I say it's like playing blackjack, but what trading is, you only decide to trade when you have an A plus setup. So like in blackjack, you will only play if you have a 21. If there's like a guarantee win. I mean, nothing's guaranteed, but I usually only trade when I have an A plus setup. If I don't see an A plus setups, then I just don't trade. I'll just sit on my hand and I'll wait. So I don't really see anything that's A plus. There's nothing worth putting any risk on. But if you want to trade today, that's totally up to you. I see nothing worth my time today. Honestly, nothing. Nothing. So be careful trading today, man. Wait for until tomorrow. FOMC is at 2 o'clock tomorrow. So wait. Tomorrow is definitely gonna chop all day till after the FOMC. So you're just gonna have to pretty much hold on. And that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'm gonna holla at y'all, man. Hit that like button. Peace.